What if tomorrow every street in your city suddenly became quiet? Not because traffic stopped, but because the street dogs were gone. Would it mean safer roads, or would it leave a hole in the community? Today we are breaking down a heated battle that's gripped Delhi, the Supreme Court's order to remove all stray dogs from the streets of the national capital region. It's a clash between public safety and animal rights, and the outcome could shape how India deals with its stray dog population for years to come. On August 11th, a two-judge bench of the Supreme Court issued a strong order. All stray dogs in Delhi NCR should be picked up and moved to shelters. The goal? Make localities free of stray dogs in about 6 to 8 weeks. No dog should be released back to the streets. The court cited public safety with a growing number of dog bite incidents. In fact, the government says over 37 lakh dog bites happen every year in India. Many victims are children, and in some cases, bites have led to rabies deaths. The court also said shelter should sterilize, vaccinate, and deworm these dogs, following the Animal Birth Control Rules 2023. The order sparked immediate outrage. Animal lovers, activists, and even politicians like Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi, and Menace Gandhi called it cruel and short-sighted. PETA called it impartial, illogical, and illegal. Protests and social media campaigns erupt. Taking all dogs off the streets won't solve the problem. If you remove 3 lakh dogs from Delhi, more will come in from nearby areas because food sources like open garbage, illegal meat shops still exist. Shelters aren't ready to hold so many animals. Crowded shelters can lead to fights, disease, and even death of dogs. After protests, the case moved fast. On August 14, a new 3-bench judge led by Justice Vikram Nath took over. The court reserved its order after a long heated hearing. Key movement inside court. Solicitor General Tushar Mehta. Nobody is an animal hater, but children are dying, and we can't ignore that. Kapil Sibal for an NGO. This will lead to cruelty. Dogs will be kept together, starved, and may attack each other. This is unpredictable. He asked the court to stay the August 11 order. Abhishek Manu Sinhavi argued that the order violates the Animal Birth Control Rules, which stress humane sterilization and rehabilitation, not mass removal. Justice Vikram Nath criticized local authorities like the MCD, saying the problem exists because of their inaction. Even before the final decision, the MCD picking up over 100 stray dogs, 20 animal birth control centers were converted into temporary shelters. An 85-acre plot in Goga Dairy, Outer Delhi, has been identified for a large shelter. MCD says it will start with aggressive and rabies-infected dogs first, then expand. At the same time, animal lovers met the Delhi mayor, offering 500 volunteers to help sterilize and vaccinate dogs before turning them to their home areas, a model they believe is more humane. This case is about a balance act. Side 1, public safety, fewer bites, fewer rabies case, safer outdoor space. Side 2, animal welfare, preventing cruelty, following scientific sterilization and vaccination methods. The bigger question, are we solving the root cause or just moving the problem? Will shelters turn into humane spaces or overcrowded death traps? And can we protect both humans and animals without sacrificing one for the other? As the Supreme Court prepares its final word, the streets of Delhi hang in the balance between the echo of barking dogs and the silence of removal. This fight isn't just about stray dogs. It's about how we as a society respond to living beings that share our cities. Are they a threat to be eliminated or neighbors to be managed with care? Whatever the verdict, one truth remains: safety and compassion should walk together, not in opposite directions. Because in the end, the measure of a city is not just how it treats its people, but also how it treats its voiceless residents.